Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change Google Play Store account password on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, regularly changing your password help prevent unauthorized access, especially if you suspect that your account credentials have been compromised. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, you have to go to the profile icon at the top right corner. Okay, after that you can select manage your Google account. Well, so here please choose personal information and then scroll down and select password. Then enter your new password and confirm your new password. After that, you can click change password and wait a minute. Okay, and then the Google Play Store account password on your device is successfully changed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change Google Play Store account password on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.